duckling chased a dragonfly, buzzing happily. Off went the duckling with a quack so loud. Now 3 little ducklings are dancing around. 3 little ducklings floating in a row, bobbing on the water, nice and slow. One found a frog sitting on a stone. Now 2 little ducklings keep swimming along. 2 little ducklings paddling with cheer. One saw some flowers growing very near. It waddled to the meadow beneath the sunny sky. Now 1 little duckling is swimming nearby. 1 little duckling floating all alone heard Mama Duck calling, "Come on home." The little duck turned with a happy quack, quack, and all 5 ducklings came waddling back. 1 little duck, quack, quack, quack. 2 little ducks, splash, splash, splash. 3 little ducks go flap, flap, flap. 4 little ducks go tap, tap, tap. 5 little ducks are back today, swimming, splashing, laughing.